when the sun goes out. It might be the last day of you and me. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes, while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and I'm too afraid to let it go. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dreams. Oh, if I could. You know nothing at all about what's going down. Oh, like a shipwreck, I caught the sails loose. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes, while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and time is running out for me. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dreams. Oh, if I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dreams. Oh, if I could. Oh, if I could. Oh, if I could.
I need you back. I need you back.
We gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway, baby? Just come home tonight. All night, all night. We gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway, baby? Just come home tonight. All night, all night. I am B for vibe, moving to my light. I attract what's mine on that QGTM type of time now. I'm not sorry, this drove a Barbie. Big energy, his bling was really blinding. Them be my type, scheme with him all through the night. He hits me up and give me pain, and then we catch a flight. From time to time, I know it's wrong, but it feels so right. I know that it feels so right. What's done is done, the devil steady testing me. Tease me gently like expensive trees, like it's your expertise. Touched by V, you know it's blessed.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the wig that I am rocking was sent to me by Megalook Hair Shop. You Megalook for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you've been watching me for a while, then you know I love me some Megalook. They always come through with the come through, and this time is no different. But let me go ahead and give you guys details and specs. So the wig that I am rocking is their 13x4 lace P10613 blonde highlight body wave wig. I have it in 26 inches and is 180% density. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the site and give you guys a little more details and specs on this wig. If I'm not mistaken, this wig you can get in straight or body wave. Yeah, you can get it in straight or body wave. So it says Megalook new arrival Barbie blonde wig with brown highlights P10/613 straight and body wave 13x4 lace front wigs. So you can get this wig in the 13x4 body wave or the 6x5 body wave, and you can get the same in the straight. Child, wish I would have known they had them 6x5s, honey, because I would have been, you guys know, you know, I prefer a closure. So if I had known they had, I'd been like, hey, can you send that over here? Can you send that to me? So the lengths that are available is in 18 to 30 inches, all being even numbers. And as far as details and specs, like I said, it is 180% density, 100% human hair from one donor, transparent HD lace, and honey, show me lie, girl. Okay, it says it is pre-plucked natural hairlines, 4 combs. Now actually mine only had 2 combs. I had 1 comb in the front, 1 comb in the back, but it says 4 combs on here, so I don't know if that was a me thing or a them thing, but I just know mine had 2. It does come in an average cap size, and yeah, that is pretty much it as far as details and specs go. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So now I have reviewed, I don't know if it's the same wig, but a similar one, and honey, she was back. Okay, it was my summer hair, my summer Barbie hair, and she was back. I love a good blonde wig, especially when it's a good blonde body wave wig. I don't think I have any straight blonde wigs, which is odd. Maybe I should try that. But I love a good body wave blonde wig. And I want to say when I reviewed this unit before, I did it as a middle part, and it comes as a middle part, but it's a 13x4, so you can style it how you want to. And I decided to do like a deep C part. And you guys know, if you watch me, I prefer to do C parts on 13x4 units because it just it allows you more parting space without being worried about your track being shown. You know. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, it did shed a little bit while I was brushing it out. It is a 613. I expect 613 wigs to shed a little bit, just kind of like what they do. But it was nothing to write home about. I wasn't alarmed or anything. Like, it wasn't excessively shedding, but I do like to throw it out there so you can't say I ain't tell you, girl, because I told you. Okay. Now, as far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is big head friendly, but it does have that elastic band, that detachable elastic band. Now, you don't have to use it if you don't want to, but it does come with it. And it has like 4 notches that you can put it on. And to me, that makes it more so friendly across the board, whether you have a smaller head or a larger head. So I love that about this particular unit. So in my opinion, you can make it work whether you have a small head or a large head. But honey, I'm an average cap size, so girl, do whatever you want to do with it. Okay, girl? Do whatever you want to do with that, because I only got the head that's on my shoulders. And that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note. So the con with this wig, in my opinion, is gonna be that it's a 13x4. Girl, you already knew that. 13x4s is always a standard con for me, especially if I can't think of any other ones, and I couldn't think of any other ones, girl. So that is gonna be my con for this unit. Now, the pros are endless. I love this color. I love this color year round. Now, I know you guys, if you've been watching me, you know that I prefer darker colors in the fall and in the winter. But honey, child, call me winter blonde, honey, because I love a good blonde in the winter these days. And I love this color. I love the brown in it. And I don't know if the brown would be considered low light, so what, because it's very subtle. But I love the brown in this wig. Like, I just love the overall look of it, and I feel like it makes it more friendly for people that are afraid of color. Somebody that want to get into a 613, but they're like, it's scaring me. This is like perfect for that. So I would definitely, I feel like that is like one of the major pros of this wig. I also love the texture. I love how easy it was to style. I love the transparent lace. And I also love that it came pre-tweezed, because you know your girl don't like tweeze nothing. She don't like tweeze a ting, honey. So I love that as well. So those are all my pros as far as this unit goes. Obviously, I would recommend this wig, girl. Did you hear my pros? Did you hear my pros? Yes, I would recommend this wig. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. this is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am feeling it. Sound off down below in the comments. Also, let me know if you ever tried Megalook hair. I would definitely recommend you guys, if it ain't this one, just copy one unit from them. I assure you, you will not be disappointed. Shout out to you, Megalook, as always, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Help to Miss T on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Your love completely got every styles and weekly.